Antarctica, a continent of ice and snow stretching as far as the eye can see. It's a place of incredible beauty and harsh extremes, where serene landscapes meet unforgiving weather. It's also a place that holds the key to understanding our planet's future, a living laboratory for scientists. For within its frozen depths, Antarctica holds secrets of the past, locked away in layers of ice. Secrets that can help us understand the challenges we face today, from climate change to rising sea levels. The ice sheet that covers Antarctica is vast, spanning millions of square miles. It's a giant storehouse of frozen water, holding about 60% of the world's fresh water. In some places, the ice is over 2 miles thick, a testament to the continent's ancient history. This frozen world plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate, acting as a global thermostat, and it's changing at an alarming rate, with ice melting faster than ever before. Deep within the ice sheet, scientists drill down into the past. They extract long cylinders of ice called ice cores. These cores are like time capsules. They hold trapped air bubbles, dust, and other particles. These tiny remnants tell us about the Earth's atmosphere from long ago. By analyzing the layers of an ice core, scientists can track changes in temperature, greenhouse gases, and even volcanic eruptions over hundreds of thousands of years. The ice cores provide a detailed record of Earth's climate history. They show us how our planet has changed over time. Today, Antarctica's ice is melting at an unprecedented rate. The cause? It's our changing climate. As the Earth warms, both the air and ocean temperatures rise. This warming has a profound impact on the Antarctic ice sheet. Warmer air temperatures melt the ice from above. Warmer ocean currents eat away at the ice from below. This double whammy is causing glaciers to shrink and ice shelves to collapse. The consequences are far-reaching, affecting not only Antarctica, but the entire planet. Section 4. Rising tides. As the Antarctic ice sheet melts, it adds vast amounts of fresh water to our oceans. This influx of water is causing sea levels to rise globally. This poses a serious threat to coastal communities around the world. Low-lying islands and coastal cities are particularly vulnerable. They face an increased risk of flooding, erosion, and even permanent submersion. The rising tides are a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet. What happens in Antarctica does not stay in Antarctica. Section 5. Life on thin ice. The melting ice has a profound impact on the wildlife that call Antarctica home. The ice is not just a surface, it is a lifeline for many species. Penguins, seals, and seabirds all rely on the ice for their survival. Without it, their way of life is threatened. Penguins need the ice to breed and raise their young. The ice provides a safe and stable environment for their chicks to grow. Seals use the ice as a platform for resting and giving birth. It is essential for their reproductive success and the safety of their pups. As the ice melts, these animals are losing their habitat. The shrinking ice floes mean less space for them to live and thrive. They are forced to travel farther to find food and breeding grounds. This increased travel puts additional stress on their already vulnerable populations. The changing environment puts their survival at risk. The challenges they face are growing as the ice continues to disappear. The fate of these creatures is intertwined with the fate of the ice. Their future depends on the preservation of their icy habitat. Section 6. A changing landscape. Scientists closely monitor the changes happening in Antarctica, a continent that holds many secrets about our planet's past and future. They use satellites to track ice mass loss, measure sea level rise, and gather crucial data that helps us understand the broader impacts of climate change. These scientists also observe changes in wildlife populations, noting shifts in behavior and habitat that signal broader environmental changes. The data paints a clear picture. Antarctica is warming, the ice is melting at an unprecedented rate, and the consequences are significant, affecting global sea levels and weather patterns. Researchers are working tirelessly to understand the complex processes driving these changes, analyzing ice cores and other samples to piece together the history of our climate. They develop sophisticated climate models to predict future scenarios and explore potential solutions using advanced technology to simulate different outcomes. But one thing is clear, the fate of Antarctica is in our hands, and our actions today will determine its future. The melting ice of Antarctica is a stark reminder of the urgency of climate change, a visual cue that cannot be ignored. It's a call to action for individuals, communities, and policymakers to take immediate steps to mitigate these changes, and nations to come together, united in the fight against climate change. We must reduce our impact on the planet by adopting renewable energy sources and sustainable practices, and protect this frozen wilderness for generations to come, ensuring that its beauty and ecological importance are preserved. The future of Antarctica, and indeed the future of our planet, depends on it. Our collective efforts will shape the world we leave behind.